Install this application. Play games for 10 seconds and earn real money. Finish this video and I will show you the tips and tricks for this app to earn more. First, you need to install MoneyWell, which is available in the Google Play Store. But before you do that, click the link I pinned in the comment section below of this video. Click my link and you will be given 1,800 bonus and 25% of my earnings when you use my link. You just need an email to create an account so that you can start playing. After you sign in, click the featured option below and then you can browse all the available games. You should choose a game with a high rate per minute compared to other games like this one. Go to the Play Store and install the game. Once you install the game, click play and go back to MoneyWell. Click on My Apps and find the game that you download. Now start playing. Here comes the amazing tip. You don't need to spend your time playing games the whole day. You just need to download an AutoClicker app. You just need to go to the Google Play Store and search for AutoClicker. I recommend this AutoClicker app since it's so easy to use. Open the app and click the Enable button to start the auto-clicking. Now let's try it on MoneyWell. Just choose an app that is already installed on your phone. Open it and start using the auto-clicker. Place the auto-clicker target on places where you can't click an ad. You can leave the auto-clicker like that for hours and you can do whatever you want while earning money. Now for another bonus tip to earn more in this app. Don't forget to check the apps that you downloaded. You should uninstall gaming apps if it only gives you just one ticket per minute. You should also watch out for gold deals every Saturday. MoneyWell gives a higher ticket per minute every app in the featured option below. Here are my proof of payment through PayPal. Remember that after you cash out, your money through PayPal will take a few hours before you receive the payment in your PayPal account. You might never see me again, so don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing, legit earning apps. Happy earning!